Hello, once again, welcome you all. In this video, just I try to give a very clear information regarding how to choose a right stream after a 10th class. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಗೋಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆ ಥರದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೌ. Before going to discuss about the important stream available for you, a very famous quote saying that the journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. ನೀವು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಮೈಲಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ನೀವೊಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಅ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ವೇ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಂತಹ ದಾರಿಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ situation, important time to decide. Therefore, take a right decision and just you want to work on that decision. See here, therefore, uh, just I try to clear your doubts and also I try to give more information regarding those stream. The first question is that what next after 10th class? What next after 10th class? Here I listed a main important four streams here. First one is science, next one arts, next one commerce, next one is diploma, and some more choices are also there. ITI and polytechnics and some other branches are also there. At the end of this video, just I clear some of the doubts regarding this topic also. In that first one, science is a one of the main stream, next arts, next commerce, and next diploma. Before going to a individual stream, just I clarify a main point. Here also you have a six subjects. In that one, four subjects are your option, means the core subject. They are also called as a core subject. Just you want to choice. There are the plenty of the combinations are there. Just you want to choice which is suitable for you. Like this, when you come to a science stream, PCMB is there and PCMS is there. Like this, there are the plenty of the options is there. Just I explain what is a PCMB and PCMS like that all. Here also six subjects, four subjects are the core subject and two subjects are the languages. These two subjects are the languages. Just I move to the, it is same for all science, commerce and arts also. These are the same things are here. Now just we move to the first one, the first stream, that is a science stream. Okay, in that one, some of the students are very interesting about the concept of why. They are very interesting. They are very curious about why the apple is fall downwards toward the earth. One, why? What are the reason for the frictions? What are the reason for the sound waves? Like that, there are the plenty of the questions they are in their mind. They ask. They always used to ask, "Sir, why this is happen? Why that one is happen like that?" Those students are uh, they can join the science stream. Here I listed very important subject names as well as the language name. First, already I clear that there are six subjects are there, 4 plus 2. Here this is a 4 plus 2. So you are saying that only a 4 plus 2, but here they have plenty of the subject means. If you are asked like this means, in the next slide, just I clear about that one. First you understand here in some colleges, Kannada English is a first two languages. In some colleges there is a optional Hindi is also there. and Sanskrit, Urdu, and Telugu based on your in which area you are belonging, in which region you are belonging. Based on the that reason, the subject optionals are little bit varies, but we have the two subject, two language you want to choose. In for example, taken a Karnataka means Kannada is a first language and English is a second language. Like that, there is a two options, two languages are there. When you belonging to, if you belonging to a Andhra Pradesh state, they have the mother tongue Telugu. Therefore, Telugu plus English may be a optional languages are there. Therefore, uh, just you keep in mind here also two languages. You want to choose any two languages, and here we have the list of subject, that is of physics, chemistry, biology. When in case of 10th class, even ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮೂರು ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಅ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, here we have a separate subject, separate physics is separate, chemistry, biology, mathematics, electronics, computer science, and statistics. There are the plenty of the subjects are there. Just you see now, this gives a clear picture about those doubts. First only I inform you that that is 4 plus 2. See now, here the first combination, these combinations are these combinations are based on your colleges, for in which college you join, or based on that. In some colleges they only available these are the main four combinations. Almost all the colleges are offered. Therefore, based on the colleges, just you want to choose the combination. First you understand what is the meaning of PCMB and PCMS. When you go to any colleges, just you take the admission prospectus. In that one, they give optional like this. Just you want to tick mark. That is a PCMB, PCMS, PMCS, uh, PME like this. Means see here physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology. In short, they write as a PCMB. Who wish to join, who was to become a doctor, or who wish to work, and who wish to find their career in a medical field, almost they prefer this combination. And who wish to become an engineer, means here same, all the subjects are same. Physics is same, here also physics is same, chemistry, maths, all the subjects are same. Only different is that last one subject is different, that is here you have a computer science, here you have a electronics. Who wish to find their career, who wish to become an engineer related to a computer science, they choose here only, that is an PCMCS. Who are very interesting in electronics, just you choose that combination PCME. And also statistics, who are very interested and very curious to solve many problems related to statistics, just you choose combination PCMS. And one more rare combination, almost very few colleges are offer these combinations, these three combinations. That one, physics, chemistry, maths, and also home science. Next one is physics, chemistry, maths, and geology. And chemistry, biology, psychology, and home science. These four combinations are very some colleges, means very few colleges offer these combinations. Therefore, when you are joining to any colleges, just to observe the which are the combinations are available, and according to your goal, first you set a goal, you want to become a doctor, just you take the combination PCMB. No sir, just I want to become an engineer, choose anyone, computer science or electronics. In some if any colleges are providing any other combination, means just you go through those combination. Like this, just you want to choose by your own interest. These are the some combinations available in a science. I hope these are very important points regarding the science stream. Okay, who want to wish to join a commerce stream? Some of the students are very interested to start their own business. They used to join. They used to join a stream that is a commerce stream. Here also we have important combinations are there. Just I listed five important combination: ABMS, accounts, business studies, mathematics, and statistics. First one. Second one, accounts, business studies, economics, and statistics. Observe here, only one subject. Here, mathematics is there. Here, economics is there. Remaining all subjects are same. Here also, ABEM, accounts, business studies, economics, and mathematics. Here, the two subjects are replaced here. Next one, ABES, accounts, business studies, economics. All the three subjects are same, only computer science is replaced here. Similarly, accounts, business studies, statistics, and computer science. Based on your interest, just you want to choose which one is easy for you, which subject is very easy for you. Just choose those combinations. And some more combinations are also here. Just I listed eight combinations available, eight standard combinations available in a commerce department. Just to observe here, same. Just I listed here some of the combinations are repeated here. Just you go through that, which one is very easy for you and also which subject is very interest for you. Just go through those combinations, and then only you get a clear picture and also very interest to learn those combinations and also those subjects. This is all about the commerce. I hope you understand. Here also same formula, that is total six subjects are there. 4 plus 2, no really, just to observe. A, B, M, S means four subjects are there. Four subjects just you want to choice. uh, and afterwards two subjects are the languages based on the region just you want to belonging, Kannada or English, or also Telugu or English. And if you want to choose an Hindi or English, like that, which are the languages are very easy for you, just to choose according to your easiest way or according to your interest. After that, last stream, arts stream. First one, science, commerce. Now we are discussing about the arts stream. Here also, some of the students are very interested to learn history and also geography, like that. Means who are very interested to learn history, geography, and all, and also constitution. They are preferred to join arts stream, like that. Science and commerce, here also you have plenty of the opportunities are there, plenty of the combinations are there. I listed here nearly 35 plus combinations available in arts. There are plenty of the combinations are available in arts. Just you want to choose wisely. First one, that is psychology, political science, economics, and sociology. That combination we called as a PPES. And also next one, HEPS. Some of the books they are given as a HEPS or HESP. Don't worry about that one, but subjects are same: history, economics, sociology, and political science. And next one, history, economics, political science, and psychology, HEPP. And many more combinations are here. If you want just to take a screenshot, there are nearly 35 combinations are available in a arts stream. Therefore, you want to choose wisely. And also based on your colleges, based on which college you want to join, just you want to cross check the combination, which are the combinations are available in your college. Yes, yeah, this is the next one. If you want just to take a screenshot, afterwards you can read and you can come to a conclusion that which combination is suitable for you. And okay, this is very very short summary regarding the whole video. These are the standard languages: Kannada, English, Hindi, Urdu, Sanskrit, and all. And when you come to a commerce stream, these are the very important are regularly almost maximum students are joined to these subjects only. When you come to arts, history, economics, sociology, and political science, and also education. And when you come to a science stream, same combination, that is physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, electronics, and computer science. Already I give a maximum probability of the combination. Just you want to choose, that's it. One more thing you remember, which college you want to join, just go through those colleges, just which are the combinations are available in that college. Based on that one only you can join, otherwise it is very difficult to you. At last, yes, in the first slide only I inform you that apart from the science, commerce, and arts, some other combinations are also available. Some of the other courses are also available after the 10th class. Those are, this one already we discussed there, Polytechnic. It is an 3 years course. Just to remember what we are discussed till now, that is an 2 years course. First PUC and second PUC is a Polytechnic. This is a 3 year course, and also next one up available course is that paramedical. This is also 3 year course, and also short term course. This is also based on your selection, based on your topic. That is a 6 month course are also available, and also 1 year course is also available. When you come to a polytechnic, here are the possible uh, courses available here, that is in computer science and civil, electronics, agriculture, means like this there are the plenty of the options are there when you go to a polytechnic. And also ITI, fitter, computer, lumber, surveyor, like this there are the plenty of the options are also here when you go to join a ITI. And also when you go to a paramedical, here also health inspector, sanitary inspector, and also DAO, like this here also list of the courses available in case of the paramedical. In case of short term or 1 year courses, these are the some courses available here, that just you want to choose that if you want to join for 6 month course or 1 year course, just you want to choose that. Based on that, short term course are also available for after the 10th class. This is all about the brief information regarding which course you want to join. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 10th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಗೋಲ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್, ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ನಾನು ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it may be some difficult there. Therefore, just you want to choose now. This is the right time. ಇದೊಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಸಮಯ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಓನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು first remember that two important points are there. First, according to your goal, according to your interest. And next one is that medium of instruction. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೈನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ರಿಯಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಬಯಾಲಜಿಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. ನೀವು 10th ವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಯಾಲಜಿಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಟು ಅ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿತಿನ್ 1 or 2 week or 1 month ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಪಿಕಪ್, ನೀವು ಪಿಕಪ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, according to your goal and according to your interest, just you want to choose which stream is, and also which combination is suitable for you. And also don't think about a medium of instruction. Medium of instruction ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. just you focus on your all the intentions, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಟಿ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲಿ just you remove this one, what happen? Possible is there. Therefore ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. therefore ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಇನ್ನು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ I am possible. See here, like this. Therefore, don't think about the medium of instruction and also some other barriers are there. Don't think about that one. If you really interested, just you join which subject is very easy and very interesting for you. This is all about this video. If you are really interested, if you are feel this is very useful, just you share with your friends. That's help a lot. Just I stop now. We will meet in a next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.